Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we will be making an adjustable eye mask. So bear with me. I'm not the best artist, but you want your width to be 4.5 and then the length will be 9 inches. And you just want to get like a jar or something to around the edges. And there are free templates out there, but I just wanted to draw my own. I know it's looking a little aviator-ish right now, but it's gonna come out okay in the end. So you need 2 of fabric and 1 of cotton batting, not interfacing, but cotton batting. And right now I'm using a rotary cutter to cut it, but if you don't have one, you can definitely use scissors. And I forgot to mention, but you're gonna need to cut a 26-inch 26-inch strip, or you can do 13 inches and sew them together. I didn't have enough, so I had to do the latter. So we're gonna cut the seam allowance and then turn the strip to the right side. Now we are adding the clips to make it adjustable, and I advise you to look on YouTube because I had a time with this, so. So we're going to take it to the sewing machine and sew, and we're not going to sew where the clips are. We're going to leave that opening to turn later. So now we need to trim that as well. The part that we sewed, not the open space. And then we're going to turn it. And I'm going to use this point turner to kind of just make sure everything is in there and all the edges are sharp and neat. So we're going to fold that opening. Give it a good press. And take it to the machine, and we're going to stitch all the way around, very close to the edge. Thanks for watching.